Okay, so this is our sump pump. And they put this large cabinet thing over the top, and I don't really know why, but they put in the sump pump after the house. So I think that they might have re-poured the floor or something down here as well. Just because, I don't know, normally you'd have to jackhammer it up, so 100% sure. But on the top side here, you can see the kind of original, I guess you might say, ceiling panels. Probably asbestos. Okay, so I went to the store and I bought one of these respirator things for, like, this one's for mold, and I've wanted one for a while now, because as I'm getting older, I'm getting more acute to it. I can, like, you know, feel it in my lungs, in my throat. And then in the corner there's a little bit of dark mildewy look, just in the corner. And it's from that sump pump when it kicks on. Sometimes they kind of have a mist to them. Our last house was the same way with the sump, but this sump doesn't run very often. But regardless, what I'm going to do, sheetrock it, and then I'm going to get like that plastic that you can use for like windows or some sort of plastic, and put the plastic in there and silicone it really good, and that way any moisture that might like spray out will be taken care of. But good job. Thank you. Up on the top there's the mark there and the mark right there, and that is 16 center for when this was a wall and then they put the door in. So I'm just going to get those lined up and then I'll level it off and nail the bottom. I hate when this stuff doesn't fit right. Okay, so what we have going on here is these sheets are like slid behind the edge, and then there's a gap here to slide in, but whatever that would be, 2 access points, it was really hard to slide in. So I'm gonna have to do some trim in here, which is fine.
Garbage.
Yeah. This piece. You want to open those up? Alright, here we are by the stairs. This is the walkway that would bring you into the back room. I'm putting this piece of sheetrock over. It's the full sheet, 48 inches wide. If I push it this way, I should mention I framed up behind here, but if I push it this way, I'm going to get this little gap, but I'm going to be putting a piece over here. So I'm actually going to pull it out this way a little bit, not all the way, but a fair amount, because we'll have a cover here and a cover in the corner, so it'll hide all the gaps. And it saves me from having to rip another sheet down. Okay, now we got it screwed off, and I'm going to do some mudding and taping. And I don't have a ton of experience with it, but that's okay. I got plenty of space here to practice and get good at it. And it is a basement, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so as you can see, all the sheetrock that I put up today I got taped, and the first coat of mud on there. I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys that it's a A+ professional job, because it's not. I think I'll have to do probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 coats just to get it the way I like it. I wish that the width on the tape for my mud was a lot wider, but it's not something I've done a whole lot of, so I'm happy enough with it the way it is. I also have to do the ceiling. This whole half of the basement, they didn't do the ceiling, and I'll have to do more around the corner and stuff like that, but this is just a good start and a good little practice area for me. So I actually would love to keep going tonight, but tomorrow I have that overnight camp, and I'm going to be taking a break, if you will, from doing some work because I've been busy all day. So yeah, Gonna go get ready for that. It is currently 9:11 at night, so sweet. But I would say that overall it looks way different. What a difference a day. So, has it been a day? 2 days? Maybe 2 days? Yeah, I started yesterday with ripping off all the panels and the cupboard thing that was up above, and now today we got all this done too, so awesome. Alright, well, we'll continue on with this in a few days.